Okay, let's make a quick video here on how to add some products to our Opencart e-commerce system. It's quite easy actually. So the factory one came with, or the one that's pre-installed with the program came with some inventory, right? So in this lesson, let's just add one inventory. Let's add a category that'll show up here. And let's add a product in that category. We'll do a real quick demo. Okay, so in the catalog there, we'll go over on the side, your catalog products. Of course, just a minute, let's just start over here. How to log into your Opencart system first. You need to know where it's installed. Mine's installed at store122.com, and then you do /admin. And they're all under admin, the administration portion of it. And I have my password, which I know is correct right there. Now I'm in. So now we go to our catalog, and we have in there a catalog. We have categories. And what I'm going to do is add a category here called t-shirts. And I'm just going to make it real easy. I'm not going to get too complicated on it. I can put in a big long description and stuff like that. It is going to be a top category. That's what it's going to be on the top of the menu. There's going to be stuff underneath it. Be t-shirts, and then you'll have kids t-shirts, men's t-shirts, work shirts, whatever. Just use it that way. So, but I'm just going to have no parent. That's going to be top level. I have to click this if I want to show up on the top menu by it automatically. Okay, so that was t-shirts. And I'm going to make that show up in the sort column. The rest of them are all probably 0, so I'll put this out on the end. I'll make a high number. Okay, so now what I want to do is I want to add a product to there. So I just went over there, products, add, and I'm going to call this my t-shirt, or all-star shirt. All-star t-shirt. There's just one product, remember, not the category. We already made that. So I'll put fill those two areas up there, which I need. By default, I have to put the meta tag in there. And so I'm just going to call this royal blue t-shirt, right? Now, this other stuff in here, I can fill a lot out, but I'm just going to fill out a price. 35 bucks. Taxable goods. Inventory, I'm going to put a bunch of inventory in because I don't want it to look like I'm short of inventory right now. And I don't want to go through the setting if somebody orders 5 shirts. I just show one in stock, you see. I'm just going to put a high amount there. Subtract stock. You can have those settings. I can do anything. Important when it's going to go in. You see on my computer it's the 27th today. If this had been late at night, I don't have the right time zone set, it would have showed it's not available until tomorrow. It would not have showed up then. So that's one thing. If you have some trouble, that's one thing to look at, depending on your time zone. Okay, so now the other thing we're going to add in there is we could have the manufacturer's name in there if we would have had it in that list. And this here kind of operates on you type and it sees if it's there. T-shirts, I look for that category. If I know it, it's a lot easier. I can have it under multiple categories. I can have it under t-shirts. I can have it under men's clothing. I can have multiple things listed there, but I'm just going to do this for now. Okay, so now we're going to go to here over to the image. And what we'll do is we'll pull up an image, and I know I have some. And what I'm going to do just to make this real simple is I like to do it this way if possible. For backing up, it's a little bit easier. I like to make a directory here called the products. To have my own subdirectory in there. I know my stuff's in there and inside that. All products are going to be in there. Now I go upload, and I'm going to pick 3 pictures that I know are in here of a t-shirt. All-star shirt. Well, I have champions in revolt. Oh, here. 1, 2, 3. I don't know if that background is right there, that square is the right color, but I just show you the sample here. I'm going to upload them all at the same time. But when I go to put one on there, this is going to be the front view, the main view. I just picked the one. Pick the back of the shirt. Now I'm just going to save. It would tell me up here if there was a problem. Okay, so now I've got t-shirt on there. If I go back to my store now, I should have a category opened up, t-shirts, you see? Right there. Shows me the t-shirt, the price. Good to go. Can add that to my cart. I'll show you the shopping cart. It's right in my shopping cart right there. All-Star t-shirt. $44. And of course, taxes is another thing we can look at another one. Okay, that was a simple video. Thanks a lot. So go to my website there, creativeclipper.com, and you'll see there I've got some other sample videos as well. Or you can also join or subscribe to my channel there. I think it'll notify you when more videos come up. I just started doing it. So, okay, thanks a lot.